Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. In this session, we are going to and go to the further step in this development of the system and enhancement of this order processing and stock maintenance, inventory, and this means there are plenty of the things. If we look back. We started with the purchase order auto generation, and that generated automatically the data uh, using the products to be ordered, and PO header and details were uh, populated with the data, auto-generated, and then the inventory was updated, right? And as soon as that was auto-generated, so that makes the inventory available. From there on, we started the order processing that now we have the inventory in the hand. Now we can sell that. So uh, we were selling it. But during the selling of uh, in means writing in generating the sale order, the system was just uh, taking the order from the customer, irrespective whether they have the availability of the stock or not. So we left it intentionally. We deferred for us for a later stage. So now the stage has come. Now we can work out that as soon as a sale order is created, uh, and before updation, the system should check whether we have so what is the available stock in hand, and whether this order can be fulfilled or not, right? So for this, a couple of things are required. First of all is that we look into the inventory. In this inventory, we have, if we go and list you down, we go to the filter here, and so that you can see the types of the transactions in inventory are either they are purchase or sale, so, or they are hold or the waste, right? These are the four types of the sale. When an order is created, the stock is allocated, right? And it is in a hold position, and once it is invoiced, so it is marked as sold, right? And when a purchase order is executed and goods are received, inventory document is entered, and so a purchase is recorded, and purchase is the stock in, and sold is the stock out, and this is the quarantine or intermediate stage, and this is also a stock out with the write-off, means if the goods are damaged or wasted or to be ready to be written off. So these are the four types of the transactions, right? So we can also verify that what we have in our say summary of the stock, right? So this is our stock month to month, okay, and we can check. For example, we check the for example, we check the quantities, right? Okay, that's interesting. These are the quantities, right? Fair enough. So the total quantities which were purchased during a certain period of time, and these are here, right? So the totals are here, these are hidden, okay? So we have that much amount. 22,770 is the total of all the stock which is here, right? So these are quantities now, the sums, right? So if we check them and we go to the detail in here, right? And these are the quantities, for example, yeah, this is the quantity, right? Then you can see, if we select this, so 22,770, it's matching. It's matching. If you say 22770 quantity is matching with with the total of this, right? That is 2277. Another way is that you select all these towards right and towards bottom, the total is still going to match with the 22,000. Means it's reconciled thing. Why? Okay. Next is we go to the product. In the product, we have added these 4 columns so that, because in the product we have one line for every product, which tells the standard cost list and right and other different information about it, right, the category, etc. And so this is automatically updating the stock. What is the stock of this in hand? Okay, so the stock is not here. It is actually the purchased is, we are using sum if formula, right? Which is summing, which is conditionally checking that check this product in the E column of the inventory and where the product, where the transaction type is purchased, right? If we go to the here, so in and purchase, the transaction type is purchase, right? If we make it purchase here, okay, and we go to the product, for example, what we are, this is 370, so the product is chai, right? It is on Northwind Trader chai. Okay, so we go to where we were in the inventory, yeah, and this is, we are going to check the chai, Northwind Trader chai. So when you, yeah, if you select this, so this gives you 370, right? This is the total of 370 duly matched in here. If you see the top one, total is so it is also reconciled, right? This is also reconciled and 370. And similarly, if you change it, it's to sold, then you can change it to sold here. So the sold is 15, right? The sold is 15. So it is updating, right? The next is so why we are doing it? We are doing it so that because we need during the order processing, during the order entry, the system should be able to see the thing which is being ordered on behalf of a customer. So do we have the availability? Do we have the sufficient stock to fulfill this order or not, right? So it is important, sir. So as we know that our SO, the sale order view, this is the basis which is providing the information to the list box in our sale order form, right? So we have used the same these things formula here. So that is going to bring all those information in here. And this formula is self-explanatory, that it is the total purchases minus total sold of this product minus any hold minus any waste, and that is going to be this that much. So if the order is being 100 quantity, that's fine, it can be 100. So what all the system has to see, that if D column is greater than L column, then it's a valid order. Means order is always valid, but the system should know that where we need to purchase in order to fulfill this order, because we have to sell it. If we want to sell it, if we want to sell some item, so there have to be a available in the stock. If not available in the stock, then you have to execute the purchase order and then okay. So in the next session, inshallah, we are going uh, to make this means make all the necessary code, so that when you enter the sale order, each time when you update, it verifies that these two columns, it verifies it, that this quantity must be within the availability. Yeah, it should not exceed the available stock. If it is exceeded, so the system should warn you that you do not have the stock. So before you post this transaction and generate the invoice, make sure you have this stock available, right? So this is a great enhancement which we are now we will be doing together in the next video. So to stay tuned.